Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have the Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Pleybox to open up and take a look at. Before we unbox this epic Hot Wheels package, I want to thank the company Play for thinking of me and providing me with this opportunity. The new Hot Wheels Pleybox subscription service from Play is a bi-monthly package of awesome Hot Wheels products for toy car loving fans. And if you would like to order your own Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Pleybox, my link is in the description below. It feels like Christmas all over again, so let's open this box up and see what we have inside. It looks like we found the Play Activity book featuring the Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Special Model High Beam, which is a high-performance rally car. Up next, we have 3 Hot Wheels cars, one of them being High Beam, which is a new for 2018 model. This car is the exclusive first-to-market model featured in the Challenge Accepted box. Our second car is another one of my favorite models. It's the yellow 2013 SRT Viper. And it looks like our third car is not technically a car, this is a vehicle, it's the Bat from Batman. This package also features the track pack from the Track Builder system that includes over 3 feet of additional Hot Wheels track. So this is pretty cool. One of my favorite parts about this box is that it features a t-shirt based on Challenge Accepted, and this Hot Wheels shirt is based on the brand new model High Beam. But of course they leave the best for last. At the bottom of this box we have the Hot Wheels Track Builder system featuring the Rapid Launcher. I'm very impressed with the value of this play box. You get a Track Builder kit, track pieces, a playbook, exclusive t-shirt, and 3 cool cars. The coolest thing about this service is that the track sets included in the boxes over the next several months are designed to construct into a mega track that is exclusive to Challenge Accepted subscribers. One thing you guys may have noticed about the box is that there are cutout lines to fold it up and use it as part of your Hot Wheels track. The Challenge Accepted box was generous with giving us some extra track pieces to expand our track setup. I think it's time that we take a look at the exclusive model for this play box. It's the brand new model High Beam. High Beam's a pretty awesome looking car, but I'm a big fan of sports cars, and we have the yellow 2013 SRT Viper. I'm sure a lot of you guys are fans of Batman, so let's take a look at Batman's The Bat. Let's take a quick look at the Play Activity book. And take a closer look at this epic Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted t-shirt. But there is still one more part of this Hot Wheels Playbox to take a look at. Let's open up the last part of this Playbox, the Track Builder System Rapid Launcher. So this is everything that came in the Rapid Launcher set. We have some bricks and track pieces as well as Torque Twister. Now let's see this Rapid Launcher in action. There we have it, guys. That is everything included in the brand new Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted subscription box from Play. If you would like to order your own Challenge Accepted box, my link is in the description below, so make sure you check it out, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.